It's alright.
Hi guys, today I'm JellyFunVloggers. We're stealing Kit Kats, aren't we? We're making these little mud cake things in the microwave because our oven is absolute crap at the moment. Huh? So you need 3 eggs.
No,
well,
one egg.
Well,
just
one egg
make one. Just show them.
depends on how many you're making. We're making 3, but in the video I'll show you one. And you need baking powder. How much baking powder do you need in the kitchen?
1/4 of a cup.
So you need a 1/4 cup baking powder. And how much baking powder?
1 to 2
tablespoons.
Tablespoons of cocoa powder.
And then a standard size mug, obviously. And then what else do you need? Anyone know?
That's it.
Yeah, that's all.
Oh, I need a mug.
Woo! Oh, you need a. Well, that's what I should. Okay, so whose mug are we doing? That's yours, by the way.
Which one's mine?
That one.
This one's mine, everyone.
We're gonna do the show on this one.
Beautiful.
Do you want to crack an egg?
Yeah, I do.
Oh, what does that mean?
First, we're gonna crack one egg
You mean like
because
a cracker?
no, don't just wait. Everyone should do it like in front.
Yeah, but my camera is supporting my camera.
So it's taking a long time.
Oh, shoot.
How do you cook?
No shell, please.
I did it.
Is there any shell? Probably. I did it.
Where did I put this?
I'm gonna sink
Gonna have some of my sherbet.
And then sink right here. They're gonna sink right.
Okay, so can you put mine in? Because I'm. Thanks, mate.
Yeah, and that's amazing pastry.
homemade
Just full of
sherbet.
crap. Right, let's
Is that how you do it?
Yeah, I can shake it in jelly.
What
Yeah.
else need?
And then next you need
You need to
Can I
get
some of that sherbet?
No,
2, 3,
no,
4.
because you didn't need to.
you need
I don't need
3 forks.
Just because I
Good
want to.
me. 3 forks.
Okay, get the.
I mean,
3
very nice.
forks.
Do you have icing sugar?
Yeah.
Okay, do you have a
Icing
teaspoon?
sugar.
Do you have a teaspoon?
Can I just make some
Yeah.
sherbet? I'm just gonna make some sherbet, okay?
I mean
Okay.
a cup.
I
I mean a cup.
There you go.
You know you
Oh, okay, a cup.
What?
What size? Like a
Is
that a
full
cup?
cup or a 1/4 cup
I
or a
can taste it.
1/3
One
cup?
A quarter. Is that a quarter?
That's a 1/4.
Okay, let's use that.
Guys,
Yeah, you need 1/4 cup.
It's fine, it's fine.
Boo-hoo! And plus, there is no dishes, so... yeah, it's a no dishes thing apart from the cup, but that's not very hard. See, we got an egg in there. It's going to pour out. See, an egg, but you can't really see it, because otherwise it'll pour out. Got an egg in each cup. And a teaspoon, because we felt like getting a teaspoon out. So right now, she's pouring the icing sugar in the 1/4 cup.
Have some more.
So you need a 1/4 cup of icing sugar. That's how she's
That's
got
a 1/4
it.
cup.
I've been eating sherbet.
Just pretend it's a quarter cup.
And then you pour
No,
it
I need to get
in-
another one for you.
Oh, what's
get
happening with
another
mine?
one. Woo! Yeah, so it's just full of egg. So now it's egg and baking
Is that
powder
shell?
mixed together.
No.
Well, it's not. I mean, icing sugar mixed
Yo,
together. It's
thanks,
not really
thanks,
mixed yet, but still.
Can I mix it?
And then we're gonna mix them. Because that's how we make it. You can use the fork, yeah.
I'm using a spoon. Oh, no, actually, no, I'm using a fork. Give me the fork.
Now you mix it. Oh no, you need to put the icing sugar in. That stuff. The
Baking
brown
powder.
stuff. The brown stuff.
So cocoa powder.
How much you put in? You put in 2 tablespoons. Wait, 2 tablespoons?
Your mum is a spoon.
Finish this.
Yeah, I fail at this.
I'm gonna get
So mix it around.
No,
Yes.
no, no.
Oh yeah, I have this. Yeah, do you need a tablespoon? What do we do now? Oh yeah, now put it in. How much baking powder do you need?
So these.
3, 2, 2 cocoa powder tablespoons.
Yeah.
Woo!
Okay. No,
Hey guys, the question of the day, because I feel like doing a question today. Whose hair is more red?
Me.
It's obviously Lucretia's.
Wait. Whose hair is more red? Comment down below.
Lauren, you're out of the question.
Where are you going?
Yeah, but at school today we had a debate about it, me and Neve. And then they're like, oh, you, Lauren. I'm like,
Hey, I'll let my
but
hair out.
I'm definitely not red here. Neve was way more red than me.
I'm not.
Yeah, you.
Okay, I used to be red, but now I'm not red, okay?
No, but you're like orange.
I'm
Red is
not.
not
I'm
red,
blonde.
See, look, I'm brown.
Is this red to you? No, it is.
It's.
Oh, I'm getting my hair.
Mine's
in thing.
brown.
It's red. Mine's brown.
Okay, now you can mix it, by the way.
I'm so weird.
That's because it's curly. I haven't even had a
Not
plate,
gonna
like
because otherwise it's
forever.
gonna chip.
It's so curly.
Mix.
So mix.
Well, I want to mix mine. egg.
There is get it? There's an egg.
Oh my gosh, so funny, Lauren. It is so hilarious.
Get it?
I'm gonna get. I'm just
You
getting.
just got it.
I'm just getting it everywhere, people. How do you cook? Your mum. That makes no sense.
Just put her in the oven.
Oh, I'm getting coconut. What's it called? Not coconut.
Cocoa powder.
Cocoa powder everywhere.
I had coconut yesterday. It doesn't taste as nice as I thought it would.
Idiot.
Yeah.
You're exaggerating.
Oh!
This is not.
Everyone
exact.
comment down below an egg joke.
No.
Yes.
Okay.
This is extraordinary. Extraordinary. Extraordinary.
You're an egghead.
No, we're just
What
making.
am I doing with my life?
Nothing.
You.
What? It's taking a long time.
Excellent. Excellent.
Oh, you got that in science today.
Your mum.
Did
I
I?
got a merit.
I got excellence. Oh, I got excellence. Oh,
literally looks
I got
like
excellence in my school, Mum. Are you proud of me? Are you proud of me?
I got an excellence in math.
I got
We don't get excellence.
I got an excellence in
anything.
English.
I got an A in math.
We don't get any like scores in math. We don't get any A's or anything.
I got an A. I got an A in
We
math.
just
I got an
pick,
A.
you know,
I got an A in
pick.
algebra. I'm so amazing.
Same.
Well, we don't get rated, so
Oh my god, that sounds wrong.
what?
Really love your mom here to
So now we're gonna cook it in the microwave. Push the button. I can't find it. Push the button. Open the door. Microwave. Oh my god.
That's my joke.
So now, put it in the microwave. 2 minutes at a time. And how long for 2?
1 minute.
1 minute. But it'll be 1 minute for 1.
Yeah, but they're going in at the same time.
No. But it'll take up all the energy in
Too bad.
both, and it'll share the energy, so it doesn't cook as fast.
Is that seconds or minutes?
That's seconds. Well, now it's minutes, but yeah.
Yeah.
Starts.
Woo!
So now it is done a minute. And open the door. And look, there's some cups. And I can't get the camera steady. How do I hold this steady? Now grab one to check that it's done. Probably won't be because Lakeisha doesn't know how to cook 2 things at once. Yeah, it's not done, Lakeisha. I told you about the energy. So now close the door again. Put it on for another 35 seconds. And start it and then stop it.
It cooks really quickly, so if you
I'm trying to stop it, but my iPad's got finished cooking. Woohoo! What do we think, actually? We're not sure. Pick it out.
That's nowhere near finished.
Told you about the 2-cup energy thing. Put it back in.
I've never actually made this one before.
40 seconds. So we think it's done. Let's come over
It might be a
here.
little soft.
We're not exactly sure.
Actually, yeah, that's perfect.
Yeah, so it's done. And we're putting some Nutella on it.
It might look kind of gross.
Woo, yeah.
I already put some colour on mine.
Same, it tastes nice.
Yeah. Well,
Do you like it?
Well, stop.
It's yum.
Okay. Nutella's gone, so enjoy, eat it. Woo! Why is the camera all fuzzy?
JellyFunVloggers! You suck at throwing.